In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your company overview, fiscal year, and date format using QuickBooks. If you're setting up your account or simply updating your business information, these settings are important to get right. They help keep your records accurate, make your reports easier to read, and ensure your QuickBooks account reflects the way your business actually operates. We'll go through each area carefully so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign into QuickBooks and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the gear icon, then select Account and Settings. This is where you'll manage several key preferences for your company. First, let's update your company overview. In the Account and Settings window, select the Company tab from the menu on the left-hand side. In this section, you can edit core business details such as your company name, legal name, company address, and industry. Make sure the information entered here is current and accurate, since these details can appear on forms, reports, and other business documents. Take a moment to review each field carefully before moving on. Next, let's set your fiscal year. Still within Account and Settings, click the Advanced tab. Once you're there, locate the Accounting section and click on it to expand the available options. You'll see a setting labeled First Month of Fiscal Year. Open the drop-down menu and choose the month that matches the beginning of your company's financial year. This setting is especially useful for reporting and helps QuickBooks organize your financial data based on your business cycle rather than just the calendar year. After selecting the correct month, click Save and then click Done. Now let's adjust the date format. Stay in the Advanced tab and find the Other Preferences section. Click to expand it and look for the Date Format drop-down. From here, select the format you prefer, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year. Choosing the right format can help reduce confusion, especially if you work with international teams or clients, or if you simply want your records displayed in a way that feels more familiar. Once you've made your selection, click Save and then Done. And that's it. You've now updated your company overview, set your fiscal year, and changed your date format in QuickBooks. These small adjustments can make a big difference in keeping your account organized and aligned with your business needs.